What should you do when you need a great mashed potato substitute? Cauliflower? No? We're gonna hang that one up. No. We're gonna show you how to make mashed cauliflower flavorful. Boom! Cauliflower. Break off the florets, boil it for about 20 minutes on medium heat. Make sure it's soft because you wanna puree it until it's smooth. Smooth like mashed potatoes. Smooth like me. Throw it into our food processor here. Some cheddar cheese, some cream cheese, and some sour cream. All of which are low fat, by the way. We wanna make this an alternative meal, you know? And we kick it up with McCormick garlic herb and black pepper. You can see it, you can smell it, slice it up. Just spoon it right out. And when it's all done, it looks like this. Looks so good. You can top it off with some cheddar, all the cheddar. Some green onions, that's nice for color, right? Bacon, and some sour cream if you want. And don't that look nice? Don't that look pretty? And if you want something quicker and easier, I got a roasted turmeric cauliflower recipe. You can also check that out down below. A cauliflower flavor record done.